to be the latest update as far as Budget 2026 is concerned. What we are witnessing right now is Congress party escalating its attack on the government after Leader of Opposition, the Lok Sabha, Rahul Gandhi, slammed the union budget, calling it blind to India's real crisis. Now we have more and more Congress leaders coming out and targeting the government on the budget presentation. Here's what Manish Tiwari has said. He has in fact spoken about India's public debt story. He's given that in numbers, and he has said that our debt and liabilities are seeing an almost 4 times increase in just 13 years. He's also said in Budget 2027, India's fiscal deficit is around 17 lakh crore. Interest payments alone are around 14 lakh crore. This means a large part of every rupee spent is borrowed just to service past debt. And now we have another reaction, in fact, coming in from the Congress party after Manish Tiwari. Congress party from its official Twitter handle, in fact, has posted this picture that you can see on your screens right now, wherein Congress party is talking about how the stock markets really crashed this morning after budget presentation. Congress party says the government has brought a budget that has led to a crash in the market. Let's go across to my colleague Niyamika joining us live right now for more on this. Niyamika, so Congress party clearly unimpressed with the kind of announcements that were made today, while the government says it's going to take India to become Viksit by 2047. The opposition, especially the Congress party, says that, the government clearly is blind to the real issues that the country is facing.
Well, yes, indeed. We have listened to various statements coming in on the part of the Congress leaders, and the Congress party is basically targeting the BJP government, saying that it has turned a blind eye towards the real crisis of this country, whether it is about employment or inflation. All of these issues are completely being ignored by the BJP government is what the allegation is coming in on the part of the Congress party's leaders. And for that reason, we have seen that not just Rahul Gandhi, but also the Congress president, Mr. Mallikarjun Kharge, had also spoken over this entire matter. They are basically making this statement that they are quite dissatisfied with the manner in which this budget was being presented by the Finance Minister Nirmala Sitharaman. In view of the ongoing geopolitical tensions, there is no such resolve which is being found out by the government of India. In fact, they have also gone on to say that there is no roadmap which is being presented by the Finance Minister Nirmala Sitharaman when she has presented this union budget in the Parliament today. They have also stated that they were having so much of expectations from this government in terms of the MSME sector, but there is no such big announcement which the government has done. So all of these issues have been highlighted on the part of the Congress leaders. But specifically, if we talk about the southern states, then there are some leaders from Kerala as well as Tamil Nadu who are basically saying that it is only because of the political intentions that the BJP government at centre has completely ignored giving any special
package. Same allegation, in fact, has come in from Tamil Nadu as well, from the leaders of Trinamool Congress. Niyamika, thank you very much for the moment, for joining us with your inputs on this story. We will slip into a very, very short break right now. We'll be back with lots more. Don't go anywhere.